Hey there everybody, here's a tour of our ADAS shop. We've got plenty of space. We've got a few lifts here. There's our TEXA RCCS3 machine with a 75-inch flat screen that projects the targets so we don't have targets laying everywhere. Laser mounts on the front there. Got our wheel centering targets. Got our rear lane departure and camera calibration frame. Got all the different blind spot and 360 camera mats. They're all rolled up, nice and neat. Doppler radar simulator. Night vision simulator for Volkswagen, Audi product. Infrared calibration target. Got a few targets that can't be projected up on the shelf. Nice wide open shop, plenty of space to do all calibrations required. Come to Revolution Motor Works for all your calibration needs.